Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Now, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ana Imrotul Maula. You can call me Mela. Before we going to our chapter today, now let's talk about ourselves. Okay, if we want to talk about ourselves, of course, we think about maybe insecure. Now, what do you think about insecure? Okay, insecure, not confident. The other, no one know? Okay, insecure is a feeling makes a person anxious or a feeling not being good enough and certainty. This is, of course, about our goals, relationship, and ability to handle certain situation. Okay, now we know about insecure. Maybe have you ever feel insecure, or maybe what makes you feel insecure, or why you makes feel insecure? Okay, let's ask yourself about insecure. Okay, if we try to show the real us, of course, they think, oh, we are different. Is that so? Okay, now let's learn and also practice about how to be ourselves. If you know about insecure, to be better more than before, we can learn and also practice about how to be ourselves. Okay, I have explained you about a few things before. How to be ourselves, is that so? Now we will talk about SWOT analysis. Do you know SWOT analysis? Okay, ya udah ada di slide ya. Okay, let's look at this slide. SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic management technique used to help a person identify strength, weakness, opportunities, and also threats. Jadi, SWOT analisis SWOT itu salah satu strategi yang mana untuk mengidentifikasi diri seseorang seperti kelebihan, kelemahan, ancaman, dan juga peluang. Okay, why we must know about strength, weakness, opportunities, and so threats? No one know? Yes, that's right. That is very important, yeah, for our future. The other maybe? No one know? Okay, we must know about strength, weakness, opportunities, and so threats. Of course, about it will make it easier for us to achieve our goals, relationship, or maybe ability to handle certain situation. Okay, now please look at this slide. This slide about SWO and also T, SWOT. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Opportunities and also threats are the things that keep you excited. So, weakness and also threats are the one that cause concern. Okay, S. Strength. The internal and positive characteristics that you possess. There are the attributes embody and make you stand out, leading you to achieve your goals, learn something. For the example, your potentially or etc. Okay, W. Weakness, some internal characteristic that you need but lack. Okay, about weakness, it helps you to pinpoint the harmful that hinder our progress. Okay. O. Opportunities. Opportunities, positive and external change which are available to help and prove yourself for reaching the goals. Jadi, opportunities itu suatu positif dan juga eksternal yang ada untuk membantu dan membuktikan diri kita bahwasanya dalam mencapai suatu tujuan, kurang lebih seperti itu. Oke, lalu mengenai traits, external and harmful things of concern that could potentially have a negative impact on ourselves. Jadi traits itu hal-hal eksternal yang mana nanti itu akan berdampak pada diri kita, gitu, berdampak negatif pada diri kita, kurang lebih seperti itu. Now please look at this slide about the example. Number 1, strength. For the example, strength, have a good design skills, love photography, and watching movies, or maybe easy to socialize or have a good relationship with friends. If you want to get your strength in yourself, let's ask yourself like this. What am I good at? Why am I competitive than other? Or maybe what do other think about I'm good at? Okay, number 2. W, weakness. Weakness, for the example, English skills are still lacking, or maybe lack of confidence when speaking in public, or careless and often impatient. Okay, same with strength, we will ask ourselves like this. What are my weaknesses? What are the skills do I lack? Or maybe what is preventing me from my goals? You can ask yourself like that, okay? Number 3, O, opportunities. For the example, opportunities, this slide for new technology development. The need for designer in Indonesia continues to increase. Or maybe the support from friends and family is immense. Same with strength, also weakness. You can ask yourself maybe like this. What doors are open to you? Let's ask yourself like that, okay? Okay, number 4, traits. For the example, traits like this. Many others' works are more experienced, increased competition between each other, or many pressing demands such as marriage or work. Same with before, strength, weakness, opportunities. You can ask yourself about what are the obstacles. Let's ask yourself, okay? Okay guys, after we know about the example, the explanation, or the other, before I have explained you a few things about SWOT. Now we will practice about how to make SWOT, okay? Okay, in this part, same with before, you can ask yourself, for the example, look at this slide. Okay, you can ask yourself, what personal qualities do you have? What do you do well? What is the level of your education? Or maybe you can ask yourself, what is your biggest achievement? Or what personal qualities do you possess? Like that, okay? Knowing the strength help you to make best out of them. You can achieve your goals easily. Oke, di bagian strength itu tadi, gampangannya itu gini. You can ask yourself, what do you want? Itu untuk mempermudah kamu mengetahui your strength in yourself. Okay? Okay, now about weakness. Okay, in this part, weakness. Weakness, where do you need to improve? Maybe you can ask yourself like this slide. What am I bad in? What can I improve? What are my personal flaws? What tasks do I usually avoid doing? Or maybe what are the roots of my failures? Like this, you can ask yourself. Okay? Okay. To easy find your weakness, you can ask one of your friends who know you well and invite them in your personal analysis work. Their answers are important. Talk a bit unpleasant to read. Ads have work knowing where you are and where to be. Okay, let's try it. Okay? Okay, next. Of course, we know about opportunities. Okay? Is it so? Okay, now how to find your opportunities in yourself? Anyone know? Yes, that's right. That is in this slide. Okay. Yes, we can ask ourselves if we want to find our opportunities like this. What trends do I see in my professional? Can I obtain better education? Or how can I get noticed? Or maybe can you ask about, can I work something different? Or maybe who can support me in achieving my goals? Okay, now go back to your strength and look closely at them to seek possible opportunities. Then face the weakness and figure out if you could open up opportunities by eliminating those weaknesses. Okay, last, about traits. What do you think about traits? Yes, that's right, ancaman. Yeah, I have explained you about traits before. Traits itu ancaman, yang mana hal-hal eksternal gitu, yang nantinya itu akan berdampak negatif pada diri kita gitu. After we know about strength, weakness, opportunities in ourselves, now we must know about traits in ourselves. We can ask like this: what obstacles do I face? Who or what might get in my way? Or maybe you can ask, are there changes in labor policies? Or is technology changing my professional field? Jadi seperti itu. Jadi kalau kita mau tahu sebuah traits dalam diri kita gitu, you can ask like that. Okay? Okay. After I have explained you about SWOT analysis and also the example and how to make SWOT analysis, before you try it, there is point, strength, weakness, opportunities, and also traits. Jadi sebelum kalian membuat analisis SWOT diri kalian, jadi ada beberapa poin yang nanti mempermudah kalian buat membuat analisis SWOT, karena seperti itu. Nah, for the example, strength, what do you want? Weakness, where do you need to improve? Opportunities, what are your goals? And traits, what obstacle do you face? Okay, now please try it. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.